In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put Spotify playlist link in Instagram bio. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process on your iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is log on your Spotify and log into your account. After doing that, you come to the last option, your library. Right here, click on your library and find the playlist that you want to put on your Instagram bio, okay? I will use this one just for example, so I will use test playlist and you will see several options. But the option that interests us is these three dots, so the fourth option you click and you will swipe down until you find share. So click on share and copy the link of the playlist, okay? So copy the link and make sure to copy twice to make sure you copy the link. And after doing that, you come to your Instagram, so log into Instagram and log into your account, the account that you want to put the playlist link, okay? After doing that, you click on the last option right here to come to your profile, click edit profile. So edit profile, you will see links, okay? Click on top, and if you are already using a link, you need to remove a link. So click on top, remove link, remove, and you need to click add external link and paste the link that you copied on Spotify, okay, that you copy there. So paste the link, click on this button, and that's it, you already put your Spotify playlist link in Instagram bio. I hope I helped you on how to put Spotify playlist link Instagram bio. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.